Hi, I'm Don Bellwether, and I'm at Menards Home Improvement Store. Today, I'm going to crack the floor with a jackhammer here in the home improvement store. Ha 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 ha. Alright, I'm in Menards Home Improvement Store. Now to crack the floor with a jackhammer, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's going on? Why is this place shaking? And who is making a lot of noise with a jackhammer? Don Bellwether. Don Bellwether. What the? Oh no, it's Anna. Don Bellwether, what have you done to the floor here in Menards Home Improvement Store? It has a big crack on it, and why was I hearing a noisy jackhammer? I'll tell you everything, Anna. I was the one who was making a lot of noise with the jackhammer, and I cracked the floor with it here in Menards Home Improvement Store. Oh my god, Don Bellwether, I can't believe you cracked the floor with a jackhammer here in Menards Home Improvement Store. Now the floor will have to be repaired, thanks to you. Plus, jackhammers are very loud, and they can hurt a lot of people's ears.
Guys, what happened? The entire home improvement store was shaking, and I heard a loud jackhammer noise.
Well, Nathan Drake, Don Bellwether was making a lot of noise with a jackhammer, and she cracked the floor with it here in Menards Home Improvement Store.
Really? Don Bellwether, I can't believe this. You cracked the floor with a jackhammer here in Menards Home Improvement Store. Now the floor will have to be repaired thanks to you. Plus, jackhammers are very loud, and they can hurt a lot of people's ears. That's it. Get out of this home improvement store and go home right now while I notify your guardians.
Wow 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 wow.
When Don Bellwether got home.
Don Bellwether, we just got a notification from Nathan Drake. He told us that you cracked the floor with a jackhammer at Menards Home Improvement Store. You caused a lot of damage to the floor at Menards Home Improvement Store by doing that. Now the floor at the home improvement store will have to be repaired thanks to you.
I agree with Judy Hopps. Besides, jackhammers are very loud, and they can hurt a lot of people's ears. That's it. You are grounded for 10 days. March to your room, right now.